Which of the following best defines condensation? Option number B is the correct answer. The process of gas changing into a liquid. Question number 2. When was the Swachh Bharat mission launched? Option number C is the correct answer. 2nd October 2014. Question number 3. As per census of India 2011, which of the following state had the highest percentage of Hindu population? Option number C is the correct answer. Himachal Pradesh. Question number 4. Who is considered one of the most famous and pioneering exponents of Bharatnatyam? Option number C is the correct answer. Rukmini Devi Arundale. Question number 5. Who was the first Attorney General of independent India? Option number A is the correct answer. MC Shetalwad. Question number 6. The Training Academy for Indian Police Service officers has been named after. Option number B, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Basna. Question number 7. Who is revered as the Karnataka Sangeet Pitamaha? Option number B, Purandar Das is the right answer. Question number 8. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on which date is the question. This date also known as Non-Violence Day. Option number A, 2nd October. 9. During heating, gypsum loses water molecules and convert into. During heating, gypsum loses water molecules and converts into. Option number D, plaster of Paris. Question number 10. The green pigment present in chloroplast is called. Option number C, chlorophyll. Question number 11. Kumkum Mohanty is famous for which classical Indian dance form? Option number C, Odishi is the correct answer. 12. Which architectural feature is not part of the Great Stupa of Sachi? Sachi Stupa built by Ashoka and it is located in Madhya Pradesh. And the correct answer is option number C, Shikhar is the right answer. 13. Article 46 of the Indian Constitution directs the state to promote the educational and economic interest of which group? Option number D, weaker sections, particularly scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. 14. Kalhan is famous for writing which historical book? Option number B, Rastarangini. Question number 15. Who were the first foreign rulers of northwest India in the post-Mauryan period? Option number C, Bactrian Greeks is the correct answer. 16. Which is the largest port in India by cargo handling capacity? Option number B, Jawaharlal Nehru Port, Nhava Sheva. 17. Bhisham Shani is based for which famous Hindi novel? Option number D, Thomas. Question number 18. Under Manrega, what is the maximum numbers of days of employment guaranteed per household per year? Option number A, 100 days. Question number 19. Kanchenjunga lies on the border between India and which country? Option number B, Nepal. 20. In which year was the Census Act under which Indian census is conducted enacted? Uh, 20. Option number C is the correct answer, 1948. 21. Which of the following is a tool of monetary policy? Option number B, repo rate. 22. Who among the following was India's first cricket team captain? Option number B, C.K. Naidu. 23. The self-respect movement was launched in which year? Option number D, 1925. 24. Which state was the first to launch the ODOP, One District, One Product program in India? Option number A is the right answer, Uttar Pradesh. 25. Self-help groups, ASHGs, are closely associated with which financial service in India? Option number B is the right answer, microfinance. 26. In the context of microfinance in India, the concept of SHG BLP is used. What does the L stand for in SHG BLP? L stand for option number B, linkage. Question number 27. The Hindu Widow Remarriage Act 1856 was passed under the influence of which British Governor General of India? Option number C is the correct answer, Lord William Bentinck. 28. Annapurna Devi was famous for which field? Option number C, Sitar or Shudbahar playing. 29. Raja Rammohn Roy was instrumental in persuading the British government to pass which act? Option number B, Abolition of Sati Act 1829. 30. How many hymns, Shuktas, are there in the Rig Veda? Easy question. Option number C is the correct answer, around 1028. 38. Alauddin Khilji built the famous dash. Option number D, Alai Darwaja. 32. The part of the chromosome where two sister chromatids are joined is called? Option number A, centromere. 33. When was the Sangeet Natak Academy established? Option number A, 1952. 34. Which gas is released when you combine vinegar and baking soda in a balloon, causing it to inflate? Option number A, carbon dioxide. 35. Nuclear power plant generate electricity through? Option number B, nuclear fission reaction. 36. Article 44 of the Indian Constitution directs the state to? Option number B, secure a uniform civil code for all citizens. 37. The Sahitya Academy Award winning novel Zindagi Nama was written by? Option number D is the right answer, Krishna Shakti. 38. Who among the following is worshipped as Nataraja before many classical dance performances in India? Option number D is the right answer, Shiva. 39. Which three dynasties were involved in the tripartite struggle? Option number B, Palas, Rashtrakutas and Pratiharas. 40. Ohm's law states that the current through a conductor is directly proportional to? Option number B, voltage, and inversely proportional to resistance. 41. Mohenjo-daro is located in present day? Option number C, Pakistan. 42. Which organization publishes the Human Development Index annually? Option number B, United Nations Development Program. 43. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the original jurisdiction of the Supreme Court? Original jurisdiction. Option number C is the right answer, Article 131. 44. Which Indian state is the largest producer of sugarcane? Option number B, Uttar Pradesh. 45. Kalsubai Peak is located in which Indian state? Option number D, Maharashtra. 46. Where is the Meenakshi temple located? Option number B, Madurai, Tamil Nadu. 47. In which year did India win its first Olympic gold medal in hockey? Easy question. Option number A, 1928. 48. In which year was the National Food Security Act NFSA enacted in India? Option number D, 2013. 49. Which of the following is an example of an igneous rock? Option number B is the correct answer, granite. 50. Which of the following is an example of a sedimentary rock? Option number C, sandstone.